Indoor plants vocabulary. Indoor plant name in English with pictures. Okay, let's start. Aloe vera, olive tree, golden pothose, ZZ plant, rubber plant, string of pearls succulent, Chinese money plant, fiddle leaf fig, sweetheart wax plant, anthurium, bird of paradise, sansevieria, watermelon peperomia, begonia maculata, mystery air plant box, peace lily, philodendron, plumosus asparagus fern, jade plant, spider plant, bird's nest fern, zebra plant, majesty palm, prayer plant, monstera Swiss cheese plant, blue star fern, Boston fern, Algerian ivy, tricolor Hoya, corkscrew rush,